Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn what type of data we can put in arguments in series. First of all, we are looking at series made using dictionary. First of all, we have imported pandas as PD. Then we are creating a dictionary. Dictionary is primarily a key value pair joined by colon. Here in this dictionary, we are taking the first name as the keyword joined with the colon, and the value is taken to be the last name of a person. For example, in the object dictionary, we have used the curly brackets to designate a dictionary, and then we have taken Ram in quotes as it's the string value and the first name as the keyword, then a colon, and then we have put the last name, that is Sharma, in again quotes because it's a string value, and this is the last name which is the value. Similarly, we have taken Shreya as the keyword, colon, we have taken Goshal as the last name which is the value. Then we have created an object D equals to pd.series. Pd.series is used to create series as we have studied earlier. And in the parenthesis, we have put the dictionary object which we have created earlier. Then we get the D object printed, which gives us a series object where Ram, which was the first name, become the index value as it was the keyword. Similarly, Shreya become the index value as it was the keyword. However, the last name, that is Sharma and Goshal, which are given as values, became the value of this dictionary. So the main object we get to know is that the keywords of a dictionary becomes the indexes in a series, whereas the values become the value of series. As all the data is in string, then the D type at the end is written as object. We can give this dictionary a name using D, that is the dictionary object, dot name. D dot name equals to students in quotes. And as we get D printed again, at the end of this series, the name colon student is printed as well. Now we'll move on to creating series using list. First of all, we have created a list object equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 written in square brackets. Then we have created a new object L in which we'll create a series using pd.series. In the parentheses, we have given argument as list, comma index is equals to ABCDE. As these are string index, they are in quotes. And if we have not defined it explicitly, it would have implicitly taken the index as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get the L printed and it will give us the answer as shown. The D type is int64 as the values are numerical. Another way to create series is using a range. We are creating an object M equals to range 0, 10, 2. 0 is the start value, 10 is the stop value. As 10 is the stop value, we know range goes to n minus 1. So the range will be 0 to 9, right? And the step value is 2. So it will go as 0 plus 2, then plus 2, then plus 2. Now we get this object printed in M1 object. M1 equals to pd.series, in parentheses we put M. M1 gets printed. As we see, the indexes are not defined, so they are implicitly taken as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The values as we have defined in range, it takes 0 first value as it's the start value, plus 2 it takes 2 as the second value, plus 2 it takes 4 as the third value, plus 2 it takes 6 as the fourth value, and plus 2 it takes 8 as the fifth value. However, as we plus 2 in 8 gives answer as 10. However, the range was till 0 to 9 as the stop value was 10. So it has not printed 10. The D type here is int64 as the values are numerical. Now we are creating a series object using NumPy array. First of all, we are printing NumPy using import NumPy as NP. NumPy is basically numerical Python. Here we are creating an object ND equals to np.arange. NumPy has a special range function called arange. We'll discuss the basic difference between arange and range in our next video. Here, the arange is taking its start value as 0, its stop value as 10, and its step value as 2.5. We are getting this on new object ND converted into a series using a new object array. Array equals to pd.series. In parentheses, we put this object ND. As we print array, here the output shows the indexing which is implicitly given automatically by the Python, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. The values here are in float because the step value is in float. So to maintain a homogeneous data, all values are shown in the float, starting from 0.0, then plus 2.5, then plus 2.5, as goes till 7.5. If we plus 7.5 with 2, it would have given value more than 9, which is out of the range of arange function. Here, the D type is float 64. I have also earlier said that the 64 is the byte range in Python. But if we have created similar arange in NumPy, it would have given the D type as float 32. This was all for today. Thank you.